Today we're going to be getting a $45 Amazon mystery box, and I'm a little bit nervous. What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today we're going to be picking up a couple of $45 Amazon mystery boxes. If you follow me on the other channel, which is Pallet Jacking, you may have seen us unbox some of these $45 boxes, but you need to know that there are a couple different boxes. All boxes aren't created equal. So the place that I go to, which is Bargain Spot LLC in Lenore City, they normally have two different kinds of mystery boxes. So they have a $45, what's called a LPN mystery box, which is like license plate number. That's what LPN stands for. And that's more of like used, maybe electronics, maybe higher dollar items in the box, versus a FC mystery box, which is, I don't know what FC stands for, but whatever it is, it normally has new products that's like chef pulled or it's never been sold to people, and it's multiples of the same thing. So this is a FC. These are FC mystery boxes. So these should have brand new product in them. I don't know what kind of brand new product. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's not so good. But anyway, whichever way, we're gonna go and we're gonna try to see what we can find, what we can resell. $45 is not that big a deal to kind of make up. So hopefully we're able to make our $45 back from each one of these boxes. So let's get going. Okay, so we're looking at these FC mystery boxes, and honestly, you don't really know exactly which one is good and which one is bad. I just like to go in and kind of pick them up and move them around and see which one is heaviest. I feel like heavy is the key to picking the perfect mystery box. I don't know why I just put a T on the end of that, but whatever. All right, so time to see what is actually inside these boxes. Now I got 4 boxes. I'm just going to rip them open. I'm going to do a little video showing y'all the inside of them. Then we'll just pull a couple items out and see if we can make our $45 back. I think I got the lightest one first. I feel like the lightest one is giving me the vibes that I need right now to get some good stuff. So here we go. Come on. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's a lot of it's a lot of white boxes. It smells, Amazon boxes have a smell. It's always the same smell. And this is kind of it right here. So it's got like some white boxes. It looks like it's got a brown box, a black box, a couple things on the inside of it. All right, so let's look at this first thing. These are laundry detergent strips. 32 count up to 64 loads. That's why this box smells good. I can smell it in there. Some kind of laundry detergent strips. So it's got 7 of those in here. And then it's got a bunch of these boxes, like some kind of white box. This box says, this is probably vodka. Oh, this is a mug. These are mugs. That's why I say I like this, because it's got like a bunch of the same things and they're new. So like, this is something that you could sell on Whatnot, like easily. So it just says this is probably vodka on it, and it's a nice little mug. Comes in a box, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 7 of them in here as well. So I did choose these from different sections. I didn't get them all from the same palette. So sometimes when you get the same ones on the same palette, you'll get a lot of the same thing in different boxes. So I tried to mitigate that by getting some different stuff. All right, so now we've got, what is this? A piercing kit. It's a piercing, some kind of piercing kit. It's got, I guess it's ear piercing kit. So it's 4 of those. And then we've got 2 sets of these gardening gloves. There's some kind of gardening gloves. There's 2 sets of those. Let's open up our brown box first. It says makeup organizer. Some kind of makeup organizer. This looks to be like a clear makeup organizer. It's got 3 compartments in it, and it's kind of curved up at the top. That's what that is. What does it say? It says sweet grain sublimation. Oh, these may be like sublimation, like tumblers or something like that. There's 4 white boxes in here. Oh, these are like sublimation tumblers, but they've got the like the Stanley side on them. So I've got 4 of these, and they're all different colors. So I've got a pink one, a pink one, looks like a green one in here. Pull it out. You can see a green one. Like a red little tumbler. Yellow. See, I'm right. I know my Roy G. Biv. Like, you can't tell me. All right, this one's yellow. Very cool. I probably will sell these, but I do sublimation, so maybe I'll keep those. I don't know. Oh, it also comes with the straws and the cleaners. So that's why I said I like these. I like these kind of boxes because everything is new. Everything's new. I don't have to test anything. I can literally just put these up online and sell them. Those are probably all that stuff probably will go to Whatnot. Maybe. We'll see. All right, now we got our second one. This one is a little bit heavier. Yeah. All right, uh-oh. I see some party stuff. I always throw away party stuff because I ain't got time. All right. All right, this is what the inside of this one looks like. It's kind of, all these boxes be packed full, but it's only got maybe 10 or so items in it. So we'll go through that. All right, this is a pop keychain fidget toy. So these are fidget toys, but it's got like a whole bunch of them in here. It says food grade silicone. I don't know why you want to eat out of them. 5 of those in here. So 5 of those, maybe 6. Okay, this is a wiper blade. Gibson Automotive wiper blade set. This is a tree swing hanging kit. So a tree swing hanging kit, and it's got a bunch of these like belts or something. I guess you hook it up to a tree. All right, then we got 2 boxes in here, 2 big boxes. So we'll pull out the first one, then the second one. This one's heavy. Ugh. This may be a car part or something, because it says tree bookshelf. So that probably is not going to show me anything. All right. This one is an 8-tier shoe rack with 3 columns. So I don't have to open that. It's a shoe rack, a big shoe rack. All right. And then this one is so it's like one of those that kind of looks like Cascadey. I'll put it on screen if you don't see that. All right, and that's everything in the second box. See, I like these quick boxes. Let's get another one. Y'all think box number 3 is gonna be better than box 1 and 2? Who knows? Who knows? This one has different stuff in it, which is great. Eeh. All right, this is the inside of the box here. It looks like maybe some Halloween stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is a plushie. So this is like a little plushie, but it's vacuum sealed, which is great for storage. So it's 2 of those. They look like burglary man. I don't know. Anyway, it's got a couple of these hats in here. These are like I don't know, fedora hats or something like that. These aren't costume hats. They look like hats that you would actually like embroider. That's those. This is an iPhone case. So a couple iPhone cases. Just open up one because they all probably look the same. I think it's just a black iPhone case. Yeah, it's just a black iPhone case. So there's let's see, 2, 3, 8 of those in here. 9 of those in here. All right, so this one definitely a fall box, which I'm not mad at. I like these signs. These signs do sell. It looks like Mickey ears to me. It's like Mickey ears, but it's like pumpkins. It says welcome. Sometimes you got to look at these because the spelling will be wrong or something. Okay, what is this? This is the tortilla box. I don't know what this is. Mr. Tortilla. I have to look that up. This says Best by January 25th, 2025. Oh, these are wraps. Okay, cool. All right, they're not expired yet, because today is like January the 13th, I think. So this got at least a couple weeks on it. So I may just take that home and try that out. All right, this is a silicone ice tray. Silicone ice tray. A silicone ice tray. Okay. It's just a ice tray. I guess you can put different sizes in. I don't know. Y'all know I don't. Listen, I'm not a knower of everything. I have two of those. Okay. Now, damn, there's a bunch of stuff there here. Some more tortilla things. I don't know what that is. And then it's another iPhone case. So it's 10 iPhone cases. And then this one is a calming corner. Innovative Bay. I don't know what this preschool teacher. So this is like something for preschool teachers. I have to look this up. If I find anything that I can look up, I'll pop it up on the screen. But there's a bunch of these, like maybe 8 or so of these. Now some clothes in here. This is a women's long sleeve casual blouse. It's a blouse. Let's see. It's got an extra button with it. It's like a little blouse. Y'all know I hate clothes. I do. We got so many clothes. I've thrown so many clothes away in the last week. I ain't got time. All right, this is a clear mini bag, some kind of bag. It's 2 of them in here. This is like a little cute backpack. It's like a little cute little backpack. This come with like a little bag, a dust bag, and then it's another one. So 2 of those, and then this. What does it say? Trump, Vance, 2024. Moving on. This is a Big Girls Cartoon Panda Raccoon. So this is like a pajama set. It's got like a shirt. It's got like a shirt in there, and then like a top, and then it's got more. It's got more Trump down here. All right, we're gonna move on. Moving on. Right here, it's gonna have the fire. This is gonna have the fire in it. I hope. I think. Surely it's gonna have the fire in it. There's a bunch of stuff in here. These boxes are always full, so that's that's a good thing to know, is that these boxes are normally always full. All right. What is this? Flowy cute shorts. Oh, these are shorts. So it's 3 sets of shorts. 3 different colors, white, pink, and red. And there are, let's see, these are extra small. These are extra small. These are extra small. This one's got different colors. It's got blue in there. So we've got 2 sets of 3 of those. All right. This is a leaf tier. Flowy shorts. These are some more shorts. So some blue ones. These are all blue. So some blue shorts. All right. Oh, this is cool. This is like a like one of those art things where you have like the numbers on there, and then you can paint inside the numbers based on the paint that they have in here, and you'll have a nice little painting. So there's a two sets. So there's 2 of them in here. This is cool. This is selling whatnot. Just wonder about that. All right, what is this? This is a tea chocolate swirl cushion case. I think this is like a case, pillowcase for like, pillows. This is a fork. I mean, what kind of fork is this? It's like literally just one fork. It says top food grade stainless steel fork. It's literally just one fork. So that's interesting. We're gonna put that over there. All right, we've got 4 of these. This is a paper towel heater. A paper towel heater. I've never heard of a paper towel heater. But it says wipe warmer, digital. Oh, for babies. This is for babies. So you can warm up your baby wipes. So I've got 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Okay. I've got a bunch of these brown boxes. These brown boxes are clear PLA. I don't know. PLA normally is like for 3D printers, so maybe it's just some 3D printing filament, possibly. I don't know what these are. They're little like cups. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get a close up of these because I don't know what they are. They're like little. These are like little cups. I don't know what kind of cups these are, but they're got little suction cups. I don't know what these cups go to, but I'm sure they go to something. But it says clear PLA. I have to figure that out. But I got a bunch of those. Looks like there are 1, 2. This is a different size, but it's the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 of those clear PLA things. All right, like a pair of shoes. These are Dream Horse steel toe tennis shoes. So it's a pair of tennis shoes, steel toe tennis shoes. They are very, very yellow. These are some very yellow shoes, but they are steel toe. These are size 8.5. Size 8.5. So there's some little tennis shoes. Those are selling whatnot. Okay, more clothes. Just some more of these clothes. I'm just gonna throw them over here. Clothes. All right, what is this? This is a pocketbook. Purse. A purse, if you will. It's a leather purse. I don't know if it's real leather. It's probably not real leather. It's just like a little fashion. It's like a little fashion purse. Oh, I've sold one of these before. This is a marine fuel line assembly. I literally just sold one of these, and they sell for like $40. So that's something that people would probably like throw away, but if you can find out exactly what it goes to, it'll sell. All right, this is a balloon. Every child has a star in the sky. Looks like a balloon. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's a balloon. All right, got 4 more items in here. 4 items left. All right, what is this? It's a pillowcase. It's 2 pillowcases, and they got balls on them. I don't know. I don't understand the balls. All right, toy block. Toys block. I don't know what this is. This is space. Oh, space building. All right, so it's like a little building kit, like a little block building kit. And it comes with, there are 1, 2, 3 of those in here. So some of this stuff will surprise you at what they sell for and the sell-through rate of them. Last but not least, we've got some stickers, and we have a DJI Ronin S cable. So I'm sure there's going to be some money because I had one of these before, and these cost a little money, and probably $10, $20 for that. So how do you all think that I did on this buy? I did buy 4 of these boxes. I think I'll make my money back. There wasn't a lot of like high value items, but there were some pretty decent items like the tumblers, the shoes, the little cable, and then there's multiples of a couple things that you'd be surprised that those items actually selling. So I think overall I did pretty good, but let me know in the comment section below if y'all think that that was a good buy or if it was trash. All right, that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. Also check out this playlist because I do have some other tips and tricks to give you on liquidation if you want to get into liquidation. I got a lot of stuff here to let you guys know. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.